Okay, another way of creating texture in a wall hanging is different lengths of fringe. So with fringe, usually you would get your yarn and go under and under, and then you'd pull it down. So then you've got your length of your fringe. So with this technique that I'm going to show you, you just need to get short pieces of wool like this. Wool yarn, can be any kind of yarn really. So you want short pieces of your yarn like that, and then you're going to go under 2 pieces of the warp string and pull it down, and it kind of stands up and creates this sort of texture. So you just repeat this process a couple of times. You can use different colours or lengths or textures. It's really a great way of creating texture in your wall hanging. So each time you wanted to go in the gap of the last one. So where I've created 2 here, I would go in the gap there. Okay, like that, and it kind of creates this lovely sort of texture. You can then cut it down with your scissors, like so. And then you've got a really lovely, almost rug-like sort of texture, and it's really soft.